We have a Arduino project that is a lithium-ion battery charger, and this one didn't go so well. So first we have this nice faceplate, the battery holder coming here, and the LCD coming here and showing you, how many volts you'll get, and well, this part actually went better than expected. Everything fit inside, and it looked good. Then we have the mess of wires itself. The LCD is probably connected to the wrong place and shows nothing. It doesn't even come on, so that's probably fucked. And then there's the Arduino that's connected to the battery and is measuring the battery voltage and controlling the LCD. And then we have the everyone's favorite lithium-ion charger that actually handles the charging. Now, the Arduino was supposed to look at the voltage, and as we can see, it's looking at the voltage, and it was supposed to be the same voltage that I can see on my voltmeter, and as we can see, it is. And so that's a problem. And another problem is that even if I offset it in the code and fix it there and make sure that everything looks correct, then if I change the battery, it fucks up again. So I have no idea what that is. And that is why we don't have a project this week, because this thing don't work. And this is one of the only times that I have actually built the entire thing without testing it first in a breadboard, and that was a mistake. And now I'm suffering from that mistake. So always test the things that they actually work in a breadboard, because a breadboard is a lot easier to take apart than a solder joint. And another thing is that if we take these probes out, we can then turn this thing over, which is that when you need to have a 10K resistor and a 100K resistor, you should probably use, those 1% resistors, that the ones that cost a little bit more, instead of trying to use this cheap Chinese shit multimeter to tell you what the actual resistance is, because it's not doing a great job. I mean, according to this thing, they are within 1% of that thing, but I don't think this thing actually gets them to 1% of their actual value. So I'm going to need to get a better multimeter. This one is fine for like is there current, is there not current, or can you pass current through a thing? But other than that, this is shit. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys today, and